Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm an automation specialist that helps businesses save time, cut manual works, and uh, close deal through smart automation workflow. And in this video, I'll be showing you how I helped an agency build a digital marketing CRM system that helps them identify who is ready to buy. Now, most agencies lose money not because they have a bad offer, but because they don't have a system that helps them identify who is a hot lead, a warm lead, and also a cold lead. Now, in this video, I'll be walking you through what exactly I did for them. Now, immediately the lead filled their form, maybe on their website or which other place they found them. Then their details are sent to the Airtable CRM system. Now, this is where the bulk of the work is, which ChatGPT helps in the classification of those leads uh, based on their description. Now, after ChatGPT helps with the classification, the details are sent back to a CRM system. Why are they sent back? It's because for us to see their classification. Now, after that, we added a conditional part. And what this conditional part does is so that those leads can get a totally different messages so that we won't lose any of the leads. Now, after the classification, the hot lead gets a particular message, the warm lead gets a particular message, and the cold lead gets a particular message. Now, quickly let me walk you through how this is done. Now, immediately the lead fills this form. This is their form uh, with their email, their first name, their last name, and they get to choose the list of products and services they need, whether it is social media advertising package, a search engine optimization package, a paper, or any of these services of the agency. Now we get to ask them where do they find us about. Now is it on Instagram, on LinkedIn, or whichever place they might find us. Now what is their budget? This is very important for us to know which kind of business they are. Do they want a starter pack or a full-time package, an enterprise level package? Now, to the description of their need. This is very important for us for to help with the classification. Now, immediately the lead hit on the submit button, their details are sent to the Airtable CRM system. Now you could see the list of people that already filled this form. Now, uh, for example, for example, uh, Trent Alice, yeah, he wants a website development and optimization package, and he found us on Instagram. His budget is $3,000 to $10,000, and he said, "Can we get on a quick call?" You could see James here. He wanted a marketing strategy consulting. He found us on one of our business directory. His budget also is $3,000 $10,000, and he said, "How long does this take?" I think that's what he's trying to say. He said, "How long does this take?" Now, Frank Berlin here, he wanted a social media package and a content marketing package. He found us on LinkedIn. His budget is $3,000 to $10,000, and he said something here. He said, uh, okay, he said we are a new brand and we are looking to start off our digital marketing presence on a quick scale. We are looking to launch next month, but want to put things in order this month with no hitches. Now, we gave ChatGPT a prompt. We said you are a helpful assistant that can categorize text into one of the following categories. Basically, what we are trying to do here is just to make ChatGPT understand what our business is all about. We gave it a full prompt that makes it understand our business. Then, it will now go ahead with the classification. Now, this is a category list of the classification. It will categorize it as either hot lead, warm lead, or cold lead. Now, immediately ChatGPT is done with the classification, the details are sent back to Google Sheet. Why do we need a Google Sheet here? So that we can see what ChatGPT classify it into, so that we can see the classification. If you could remember, uh, Frank Berlin that said we're a new brand and we are looking forward to the guy that said they are looking forward to start next month, but they are trying to put things in place this month. ChatGPT categorized it as warm lead. Why did it categorize as warm lead? Because they are not looking to start now, but next month. Now, if you could remember Trent Alex, he said, "Can we get on a quick call?" With that, ChatGPT classified it as a hot lead. Why? Because they needed to get on a quick call with us. Now, if you could remember Mark James that needed marketing strategy consulting, he was asking how long does it take. So it was classified as cold lead. Now, after the classification, we added a conditional part, and what this conditional part does is so that the each lead get a different messages. We are not we don't want to lose any lead, so they get different messages. But we get to focus on the hot lead. Now, for the hot lead, this is the message that will the hot lead we send. The guy that said, "Can we get on a quick call?" Now, the name of the agency is Vital Agency. Now, the guy that want to get on a quick call immediately, it said, "Hi Frank, thank you for reaching out to Vital Agency." The name of the agency is Vital Agency once again. So we are excited about the opportunity to work with you and help you achieve your marketing goals based on your needs. These are the needs. We would love to discuss a tailored strategy for. These are the packages he chose and services he wants. Now, say let's connect. Click below to book a consultation. Now, immediately we send a Calendly link to the client so that they can book a call when it is convenient for them. Now, if it is a warm lead, for example, the guy that said they are looking to start up off next month, but they are looking to put things in place this month, they get uh a this email. I know why my yes. Now, he said the subject of the email is "Here is how we can help you." Because they are still looking to put things in place, we try to give them more things so that that can help their business. Now, he said, "Thank you for considering Vital Agency to help with your marketing goals. We've reviewed your inquiry and would love to share more information about how we can assist with the packages they chose. Now we are excited to work with you." And so they get more series of messages that will be tailored to their particular need. Now, to the guy that said, how long does it take, that is just trying to make an inquiry, we sent resources that might help them. Now we say resources to get started. What basically we are trying to do here so that we can move the lead up the ladder from cold lead to warm lead, and hopefully we get to purchase one of our services or of our packages. Now, this is the message you'll be getting. So, thank you for considering Vital Agencies to help with your marketing goals. Video inquiry, I would love to share my information about how we can assist. Now, this is how we helped the agency build this data marketing CRM system. With this, they focus on the hot lead at the moment. So it won't be as if they are just trying to guess who's the hot lead, cold lead, or the warm lead. So if you want me to replicate this for a business, you can send an email, or you can send a message on my LinkedIn. Thank you very much.